Hey everyone, welcome to the 7th grade advanced math transition course. I want to go over a few things that will make this course successful. There are 2 units that you will complete: rational numbers and expressions, equations, and inequalities. You can access these from the front page or through modules. Let's take a look at Unit 1, rational numbers. For Unit 1, we have 7 lessons in all. Each lesson has an overview, the lesson, the answer key, an optional practice, and then a concept check. So let's begin with our overview. So the overview just tells you exactly what you're going to be doing for this lesson. And you can see in Unit 1, you're not going to be using a calculator. So first thing you'll do is you will print the handout. If you do not have a printer, you simply can just use notebook paper. You will take notes on the handout or your notebook paper while watching the video. You will pause the video when you need to. Once you have finished watching the video and taken notes, you'll complete the practice problems. Then you'll take a picture of your practice problems, your handout, and you will submit them. Once you have submitted them, then the answer key will be revealed, and this is one of the first crucial things that you need to do to be successful is make sure you go through your handout, your practice problems, and make any corrections. Then once you finish looking over the answer key, if you need, you can do a few more interactive practice problems in Delta Math, and there's also additional videos there. This is only optional. You do not have to complete the Delta Math. Then at the very end of every lesson is going to be a little quiz. You get 2 attempts. Here's the second crucial part of being successful. If you do not make a 100 on your first attempt, make sure you go through the problems you missed and read through the rationale before you move on to the second attempt. So again, check the answer key, make corrections, and go through any problems you miss on the concept check. So that's the overview page, and then here's the actual lesson. This is where you will have your handout that you will open and print. Here is where you'll watch the video, pausing when you need to, and then you will upload your practice problems on number 3. Once you finish uploading your work, then here is the answer key, and you will make corrections. When you finish making any corrections, here is the optional practice. It's interactive. You do not have to complete this. This is only optional. So if you miss several problems on the handout, I would want to do a few more practice problems if it were me. And then the last part of each lesson is the concept check. So here's the little quiz. Again, if you miss a problem, make sure you go and read through the rationale. It explains your mistake before your second attempt. Those are the parts of each lesson. At the end of each lesson is a unit test, and then your homeschool may request that you come in to their building